Hi everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to an all-in-one online learning platform, My Learning Space AI. In this video, I'm here to introduce and guide you to some information about University of Waterloo's admission information form and any other questions. The University of Waterloo has an AIF, which is the Admission Information Form. The AIF for Waterloo is important for its extremely competitive programs and is mandatory and heavily weighted in assessment. The University of Waterloo's AIF includes mentions of extracurricular activities, previous employment, awards and certifications, and written responses. The AIF is critical for programs such as engineering and computer science and can significantly impact your admission. As the University of Waterloo is highly competitive, especially for its various streams of engineering, the university gets thousands of applicants yearly, and the AIF helps the admissions team make their decisions. The acceptance rate for the University of Waterloo ranges from 14 to 64%, depending on the program, which goes to show how important the AIF really is. The AIF form is a part of a larger supplementary application process for certain programs. It is also used for the admissions team to delegate scholarships. The AIF is typically 5 150-word limit questions that applicants are required to answer. Some programs have an optional video interview that is highly recommended in the overall application. It has 2 questions that give you 30 seconds to prepare and 90 seconds to answer the question. To apply to the University of Waterloo's programs that require the admission information form, you first submit your application to the Ontario University's Application Centre, also known as OUAC. It's used by competitive programs like engineering and math to understand who you are beyond just your grades. The AIF includes sections about your extracurricular activities, leadership roles, work experiences, awards, and any other personal or academic challenges you have faced. Unlike timed interviews, most of it is written and completed at your own pace. Some programs may also include a video interview. Overall, the AIF helps admissions see your initiative, commitment, and interest, making it a major factor in standing out among applicants. The admission information form is important for University of Waterloo because it helps distinguish applicants with similar grades. Many students applying to competitive programs have high averages, so the AIF allows you to showcase your experiences, leadership, and personality. It also gives you context to your achievements and highlight your skills like teamwork, initiative, and resilience. Qualities Waterloo values. A strong AIF can significantly boost your chances of admission, especially in programs such as engineering. It ensures that admissions decisions aren't based on marks alone, but also on your overall potential and how you've applied yourself outside the classroom. To stand out on the admissions information form for the University of Waterloo, focus on quality over quantity. Instead of listing many activities, choose a few meaningful ones and explain your role, impact, and what you learned. Be specific, describe your challenges and how you faced them and how you overcame them. Highlight leadership, initiative, and consistency over time. If you have work experiences or personal projects, include them to show your responsibility and passion. Written clearly and honestly, avoid exaggeration. Admissions value authenticity and depth, so strong reflections on your experiences will make your application more memorable and compelling. The best way to practice is to write and answer components of the AIF form for admission into one of University of Waterloo is to keep practicing. Take your time, answer the entire question as best as you can, target the most important parts about you, and be concise. You can practice these steps using Myls. Here I will show you exactly how to use the Myls interview platform to practice for Waterloo admission information form. All you have to do is start by searching on Myls interview on Google, click on the first link, and sign up using your email ID. Once successfully signed up, click Start Interview and choose the program that you want to practice. Today we'll be doing University of Waterloo's admission information form. Myls asks that you set up both your camera and microphone. Once that's complete, you are ready to start answering your practice questions. This is how your interview will be structured. Myls gives you exactly the same number of questions and format that you will expect on your actual Cure Talent interview. These include some being video-based and some being written. For video-based questions, Myls looks at your facial features, expressions, and the way you overall express yourself, while the typed answers determine your interpersonal and writing skills. Once you submitted your responses, Myls will give you a detailed feedback report with scores on how you did in each question. Myls will also give you the opportunity by letting you know exactly how to improve in the future. Ideally, you can see what the program is looking for so that you are able to become an ideal candidate. Additionally, Myls highlights your activated ability with character traits and how you did in reference to them. This shows you exactly what you did well and how you can change things up in the future. So I highly recommend that you use Myls interview because it allows you to practice as much as you can so that you can do 10 times better on your actual interview. If you think you didn't do well on the admission information form for University of Waterloo, don't panic. Admissions consider both your grades and your AIF together, so strong academics can help balance out a weaker form. One section won't determine your entire application. You may also still be considered for alternate programs depending on your choices. Focus on maintaining and improving your grades, and remember that many successful students take different paths to reach their goals. Even if this doesn't go as planned, there are other opportunities to pursue engineering or related fields in the future. So I highly recommend that you use Myls interview because it can help in both aspects of the written short answer and video responses, as it can help structure your written responses precisely and improve your overall clarity and storytelling skills. The more you practice with Myls, the better your results will be.